Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable flash alerts while unlocked on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down to the hearing section and then tap on audio and visual. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on LED flash for alerts. Then in here, tap on flash while unlocked. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on and when your phone is unlocked, if you receive notifications, your phone will flash. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.